Everyone, my name is Abhi Coach. My student ID is 823. Today I'm going to explain you about the cost tags, how we can take the quantities from the cost tags. So my project name is ACTS Building in Auckland. So I'm going to explain you how we can take the quantities by this project. So first we're going to add the pages from here. Like we can add the pages. I have already added the pages over there. So we have to rename all the pages first, like elevation drawing, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth row, and all of them. And now I'm gonna explain you about the external wall, first row. So we're gonna go to external walls. So it's in the ground and first row. Then. So in this one, in external wall, we have to select first positive. So what all are the positive areas? So we're gonna select all the positive areas in this one. Then we have to deduct the negative area where the fixed glass is there. Then it would be altogether it would be 47 meter square. So after this we're going to go to dimension groups. So here we're gonna mention the name, but we're gonna external wall finishes 200 mm first row. Which folder we have to superstructure missionary wall. So the measurement type would be length, default display will be wall area, default multiplier will be 1 meter, and default height would be 2.7 meter. So here we're gonna select the color, which color we want over there, and then we have to update. So it will be updated, it will be showing you 47 meter square. Like this we have to do all the doors, windows, cladding and everything. After this we're going to go to workbook and we have to go to GFA group and we have to go to superstructure. Here we go, we're going to go to external wall. So we have mentioned the quantities 3 to 7. So we're gonna drag all the external walls over here and put the quantities over here, and it will be displayed like all together 454 so meter square, and the rate of external wall finishes is 42. So here are the rates for the labor, plant, machinery, block work, motor. Now we're gonna generate the SOQ from all the details. So we have to go to reports. Print report. So we have to generate a report for SOQs. So first we have to mention our name in the report and our student ID and what's the project name and building which we are doing the project, ACTS Building at Auckland, and details of GFA group and date, time, GFA, base date, all of the date. Then we have to preview. Okay. Then we have to go to superstructure. So here it is, external wall. The quantity is 454. The rate of external wall is 42. The amount will be 19007. So like this we can prepare whole the SOQ, and that's it. Thank you.